This street is called after the former USA President George W. Bush. He visited Albania as the first American president in 2007. And I guess he's still the only president who has been here so far. But that was something very important for Albania, that they were recognized by an American president, and that's why they named this boulevard after him. Wow, and here behind the trees we can see the old clock tower. Let's have a look if we can climb up this tower. It's like in the middle of some new skyscrapers that they're building here. I can see a little entrance. Let's have a look if there are some stairs. I think I saw some people up there, so it should be possible. Hello?
Hello.
Can you just go up?
It's 200 like proposal.
200?
Yes. Here.
Thank you.
Thank you. Where are you from?
Belgium. Where's the elevator? Okay, thank you.
See you later.
Many people up there?
Right now, no.
No, just me?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, the last one, because I'm going to close it.
Oh, okay, I'm lucky. Okay guys, almost up the stairs here. What a nice little climb. And here, let's check out the view. Wow. Here we can see the Skanderbeg Square. We have the mosque here. Wow, guys, what a magnificent view. And I'm lucky because the guy said that I'm like the last one that he's letting up here. And because he's almost closing, I'm all alone here. I feel like it's my lucky day. Ooh. Let's go down again because the guy is waiting for us to close here. The clock tower. I came across a very cute but probably also very old little bridge. Check this out, it's probably more visible from the side. And they're not really using it anymore because most people are just walking there along the road, but I think it's pretty cool. You're still allowed to cross it. And this is the side view from the bridge. There's a little river under there, but it's actually not even visible.